I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. I am your EVS teacher, Miss Garima Singh. So kids, let's start our today's video. Now kids, as you know, chapter 5, Anita and the Honeybees, and that video is part 1. Now today kids, we will start part 2 of this chapter. Now before starting part 2 kids, we will first of all discuss some of the previous topics which we have studied in our previous video, and it will take some seconds. So let's start kids. As I have told you that this story means Anita's story is a true story kids. She lives in Bochaha village in Muzaffarpur district, Bihar. You can see in the map kids, where is Bihar? Bihar is in the eastern side of India. And Anita has parents and 2 younger brothers in her family. She is now well educated and she used to go to college. And she used to teach young children, means she used to take tuitions of young children, and she used to keep honeybees. So this much kids we have studied in our previous video part 1. Those students kids, those who have not seen the previous video, first of all kids, watch the previous video, means Anita and the honeybees part 1, and then go through this video part 2. Now kids, let's start our rest of the chapter. Kids, as you all know that Anita has gone through various difficulties when she was a child. Yes, when she was a young child. In our previous video in part 1, we have studied that how Anita has put a lot of efforts for her studies, and finally her parents agreed on the decision of going to school. So kids, after completing class 5th, Anita's parents said that they will not continue the studies of Anita. Now why? As I have told you that Anita is a poor girl. Yes, she belongs to a poor family. So her parents were not able to afford her education after class 5th. Now kids, one right is there, R-T-E. Now what this means, RT means, see, R means right, T means to, and E means education. Right to education. RTE. The full form of RT is right to education. The full form of RT is right to education. So kids, according to this right means right to education, every child should get education at least from 6 to 14 years, means till 14 years, means class 8. So according to this right, Anita was also getting education. Now after class 5th, there is some difficulties in getting education, because Anita knows and her parents also that after 5th they have to spend some money on Anita's education. So finally her parents refused. Yes, her parents refused that she will not go to the school now and she will used to be at home. Now Anita don't want this. As I have told you that Anita wanted to study. So what Anita did? Finally Anita started teaching young children. Yes, as you can see in the pic class, Anita started teaching young children. Young children means small children. Means she started taking tuitions. And the money which she got from that tuitions, she used to spend that money in her studies. Means the studies after class 5th. Now kids, one sweet memory is there of Anita. As you can see in the pic, Anita is sharing one sweet memory with us. Now kids, as you know that Anita started teaching young children, means Anita started taking tuitions to continue her studies. Now kids, some of the older boys of Anita's village only was used to take tuitions, means they used to teach young children. Now as they got to know that Anita is also taking tuitions, means Anita is also started teaching young children, they scold and scare the young children. Scold means डांटना and scare means डराना. Yes, they scold and scare the young children. Don't go to Anita's place for tuitions. And finally, all the kids except two stopped coming to Anita's place. Now, after some time, what happened? See, the time changes. After some time, all the kids come back to Anita. Now, kids, why? Because Anita used to teach the kids with love and care. See, kids, it's very important to teach anyone with love and care. Anita used to teach the kids with love and care, and finally all the kids came back to Anita. So this is a sweet memory Anita is sharing with us. See, kids, now Anita was getting education, but she didn't stop. Why we are reading Anita's story? Because Anita is a girl star. Now why she is girl star? See, kids, she was getting education, but she didn't stop there. What she did, slowly she started teaching other parents of her village so that they can send their daughters also to school. And in this, Anita's parents help her. Yes, her mother used to do all household work so that Anita gets time to study and to spread awareness among her village so that other girls should also get education like Anita and they can go to school. See, kids, I've told you that two things Anita used to do. What? First thing is Anita used to teach young children. This we have discussed already. Now we are going for honeybees. Yes, how from study to keeping honeybees means the path which Anita has taken from studying to keeping honeybees we will study now. So let's start. Now kids, in Anita's village, again we are as we are talking about Anita, so Anita is a main star, you can say mid star of our story. Now Anita has many lychee trees. Anita has many lychee trees, yes, in her village. Now kids, Anita was having many lychee trees in her village, and honeybees, I have told you, see honeybees there in the pic? Yes, honeybees means the bees which used to make honey. So honeybees are attracted towards the lychee flowers. Yes, the lychee trees have lychee flowers, and towards those flowers honeybees used to get attracted. So in this village many people used to do beekeeping. Beekeeping means put the bees in a box and collect honey. Many people in this village do beekeeping and collect honey. Now finally Anita got an idea. What idea? Anita thought of started doing beekeeping. Beekeeping means she thought of collecting honey. Now in lychee trees, honeybees. Now why I am writing honeybees here? Because honeybees used to get attracted. Honeybees used to get attracted towards these lychee trees. Means lychee trees have lychee flowers, and honeybees used to get attracted towards these lychee trees. So in this village people used to keep honeybees and they collect honey. Many people. So finally Anita thought about it, means keeping honeybees, and Anita joined one course which was run by the government. See kids, government used to run many courses so that some village people can get help from that courses and they can start their own business. So Anita also joined that course and she learned how to keep honeybees, and she was the only girl in that training. As I've told you that in her village girls are not allowed to go to school and to learn any course. So she was the only girl in her training course. And in her course kids, she learned that honeybees used to lay eggs. honeybees used to lay eggs. Lay eggs means used to give eggs. Honeybees used to lay eggs. Now when honeybees used to lay eggs? At the time of October to December. Honeybee used to lay eggs October to December. The time is October to December, the month. So this is the best time when you can keep honeybees, when you can start your business of keeping honeybees. So this is the best time to do beekeeping. Now kids, we will start the journey of Anita becoming a beekeeper. As I have told you, what is beekeeper? Beekeeper is a person who keep bees, means who used to collect honey from the bees. So Anita, and in the bracket I am writing beekeeper. Means we will now learn about the journey of Anita, means how Anita becomes a beekeeper. Now finally Anita completed her course. Now which course? The course which government has started, so that the villagers can learn how to keep bees and become a beekeeper. So that course Anita has completed. Now what to do? See, Anita belongs to a poor family, as I have told you. So she was not having money to keep bees and start her own work. What she did, kids? She is a very hardworking girl. As I have told you, she continued to teach young children. As I have told you that she used to take tuitions, and slowly she collect rupees 5,000. Yes, 5,000 rupees she collect. And how she collect these 5,000 rupees? By teaching young children, by taking tuitions. Now with these rupees, kids, she bought 2 boxes for keeping bees. Yes, she bought 2 boxes. 1 box and second. These 2 boxes she bought for keeping bees. Now 1 box cost rupees 2,000. So if 1 box cost rupees 2,000, then second box will also cost rupees 2,000. So how much rupees total? Rupees 4,000 she spent for buying the boxes for honeybees. Now kids, as I have told you that she has collected rupees 5,000. Yes, she has collected rupees 5,000, and 4,000 she has spent in buying the 2 boxes. Now how much she is left out? See, 5,000 minus 4,000, 1,000. So with the 1,000 rupees 1,000, what she has bought, kids? She has bought sugar. Now why sugar? So that she can make syrup, sugar syrup for honeybees. And the second, she has bought medicines. Now what medicines? So that she can clean the beehives. Now kids, as I have told you, the season in which honeybees lay eggs, yes, the season is October to December. So Anita has bought the boxes, as you have seen. She has distributed her 5,000 rupees very nicely. This means that she is a good businesswoman also. Now Anita, as you can see, now she is a beekeeper. Now this is a time of September. Now from September to December, means she has started her business on September, and her business lasts till December. Now in December, beta, there are so many honeybees that she has to buy 2 more boxes. Yes, she has buy 2 more boxes for her honeybees. Previously she was having 2 and she buy 2 more. So now she is having 4 boxes of honeybees. Now as you know that Anita has completed her course of keeping honeybees, and she has learned how to keep honeybee in that government course. But Anita still learning how to keep honeybees. So kids, many a times she used to get sting from the honeybees whenever she used to put hands in those boxes, and as you can see in the pics, whenever she used to put hands in the boxes, the honeybees used to sting her. Sting her means bite her. And you know kids, that whenever honeybee used to sting you or bite you, that area gets swallowed up. So Anita also used to get sting from honeybees whenever she used to put the hands in that boxes, and her face and her hands get swollen up. See, it's not an easy task for Anita to keep honeybees. Now whom she will complain? As you know kids, that this work, this business, she has taken by herself. Yes, she has chosen this business by herself. So she didn't complain anyone and continued her work. Now kids, let's start the working of Anita. Kids, as I've told you that Anita's village contains lot of lychee trees. Lychee trees, and you can say lot of lychee orchards. Now what is the meaning of orchards kids? See, when there are lot of fruit trees in one field, it is called orchard. See, lot of vegetables in one field is not called orchard. Lot of fruit trees. When you have a lot of fruit trees in one field, that is called orchard. Means big fields containing fruit trees are called orchards. So in Anita's village there are lychee orchards. Orchards means big fields of lychee trees. And in lychee trees, lychee flower comes in the month of February. In the month of February, the lychee trees have lychee flowers. So what Anita did? Anita put her 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, and one more 4. Anita put her 4 boxes near the lychee orchards, means here. Near the lychee orchards, Anita put 4 boxes. Anita put her 4 boxes near lychee orchards, as you can see. As I have told you previously only that she has bought 4 boxes. So in the month of February, why February? Because in the month of February, the lychee trees get lychee flowers and the honeybees get attracted to the lychee flowers. So what Anita did? Anita kept her 4 boxes near the lychee orchards so that the honeybees which are there in the boxes can collect honey from the lychee flowers. Now Anita got 12 kilograms of honey from each box. Means 12 kilogram of honey she has collected from this box, then 12 kilogram from this box, then 12 kilogram from this box, and 12 kilogram from this box. So finally, how much honey she has collected from all these 4 boxes? Just count the table. Yes, 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 3 are 36, 12 fours are 48. So total 48 kg. Yes, total 48 kg honey she has collected. And now she is a beekeeper. And this is the journey of becoming a beekeeper. Now kids, after this, Anita has bought 20 boxes. Yes, 20 boxes Anita has bought. So now kids, we will end up our today's topic here, means our lesson chapter 5. Kids, many more things are there in this chapter. So kids, just be with this video. We will finish this chapter in part 3. So kids, as you all know, after the explanation there is activity corner. So let's move to the activity.
Page number 41. Have you seen any insects near flowers? Find out their names and write. Yes, I have seen. They are butterfly and honeybee. Page number 42. Why do you think they come to the flowers? Find out. They come to the flowers to collect nectar. When honeybees fly, there is a kind of sound. Can you try to copy this sound? When honeybees flies, they produce a buzzing sound. And kids, you can copy this sound. Page number 43. Find out. What do people in your area put on the part of the body where the bee has stung? Lime, onion, vinegar or ice? Now the last question. What will be the total cost of Anita's 20 boxes? Now kids, as one box costs rupees 2000, I have told you this in our video. So 20 boxes is equals to 2000 into 20. So answer is 40,000.